hiring. Kurang nga muna. Kailangan ko pa naman ng trabaho. Ayayin ko yung mga kaibigan ko.
Pre, kailangan ko ng trabaho, pre. Wala ako ngayon.
Bakit pa nangyari, pre?
Wala eh, short sa budget eh. Puro utang.
Nga din, kailangan ko nga rin ng trabaho yun. Kahit anong pagkakakitaan sa ano.
Bakit, pre?
Yung jowa ko kasi malapit na mga anak. Due date na rin kasi.
Ganun ba?
Ayaw ko yun. Kasi yung namin ko, hindi mo lang pambayad sa maintenance eh. Yung tati ko kasi, hindi nagtatrabaho kasi.
Ano, apply kaya tayo trabaho?
May alam pa ba, pre?
Ako nga rin eh. Pero ano tayo?
Tara. Okay.
Pre, ang balita?
Okay lang, oy. Kamusta pre? Balita, padang ka.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Yung trabaho, pre.
Bakit ano nangyari?
Wala eh, short sa budget. Puro utang. May alam ka ba, pre?
Meron naman, ikaw pre, kamusta ka? Okay lang, medyo gipit din. Kailangan ng pera. Ikaw pre?
Ayun, nakukulang sa budget eh. Kaya wala kang ngayon.
Sakto may nakita ako pre hiring. Mekaniko, mayroon ba kayong pag-ano? Di ba to? Meron ba kayong experience sa pagme-mekaniko?
Oo, meron. Sakto kami dyan.
Ito, saan?
Ano?
Tara, pasukin natin.
Tara.
Pasukin tayo, pre.
Play tayo. Tara. Ay, good luck, Star.
Good morning! Kayo mga aplikante?
Yes.
Pwede mo makuha yung mga resume.
Ito.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you. Antayin nyo lang, tatalin ko lang kayo.
Okay.
Good morning. Buti nagka-interesado ka sa aming hiring. My name is Roslyn HR and magpakilala ka.
Ako nga pala si Gerald Guzman, 24 years old, na katira sa Marikina. And meron din akong experience sa pagme-mekaniko ng 2 years. Tapos 1 year naman sa pagsa-service crew.
Dito lang siya makita. May papasagutan ako sa yung test, personality test. Bibigyan ka ng ilang oras para sagutan mo.
Ito lumabas sa personality ko.
Thank you for your time and effort. Then, text na lang kita kung sakaling pasok. Thank you. Personality test. Bibigyan kita ng ilang segundo para sagutan ito.
Okay.
Thank you for your time and effort. Next na lang kung sakaling anong balita sa iyo. Maraming salamat. May papasagutan ako sa isang personality test. Bibigyan ka tayo ilang minuto para sagutan dito.
Sige po. Ito pa yung babasahan.
Thank you for your time and effort.
Thank you.
I-text na lang tawag sa kanin. Anong balita sa inyo?
Sige po.
Sila. Pamasagutan ng same personality. Bibigyan ka na ilang minuto para sagutan.
Sige. Bakit yung lupas ko sila? Yung silver.
Thank you for your time and effort. Next na lang sa
Hi guys, I'm Charles Andre N. Sabahas. Now, do personality tests really work on hiring? For me, yes, personality tests like the Myers-Briggs score or MBTI can be used on hiring to better understand a candidate's personality, communication style, and potential reaction in various situations. However, they should not be sole basis for hiring decision. Now, here's are the pros of using MTBDI and in the hiring process. Understanding communication and behavior. MTBDI helps identify a candidate natural communication style. For example, extrovert E are more comfortable with collaborative tasks, while the introvert I excel in independent work. Matching personality to the role. It helps align the candidate personality with the role. For instance, judging type J are better suited for structured role, while the perceiving type P thrives in flexible or dynamic environment. Improving team dynamics. MTBDI can determine how a candidate might fit within a existing team. For example, mix of thinkers T and feelers F in a team can create a balanced dynamic.
Hi, my name is Austin Asivirius. These are the concepts of MBTI. The MBTI has been criticized for its lack of scientific validity and reliability, as research has shown that people results can change over time. It oversimplifies complex human behavior by categorizing individuals into only 16 types, potentially ignoring the nuances of personality. It helps people understand their preferences in how they interact with the world, process information, make decisions, and organize their lives. Additionally, the test encourage people to conform to stereotypes about their personality types, limiting personality growth and self-awareness. That's all.
Hi, my name is Joshua Pedimonte. Ethical implication in recruitment. Ethical implication in recruitment include discrimination. Hiring decision should be based on job-related factors, not on age, gender, race, religion, disability, or sexual orientation. Transparency. When using AI in recruitment, it's important to ensure that decision-making processes are transparent so that candidates understand why they were rejected. Privacy. HR professionals should be careful not to violate candidates' privacy when using social media and background checks. Bias. Companies that relate to the heavily algorithms for hiring decision may overlook diverse perspective and experiences. To mitigate this, AI should be part of the broader process that includes human oversight. Data security. It's important to ensure that candidate information is stored and used confidentially. Employers should be trust that their data is not being used in ways that infringes on their privacy rights. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Right?
Ang hirap.